The world is changing, and with it, the way we think, the way we work, and the way we solve problems. At the heart of this change is intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, I'm Doc, and it's a real pleasure to meet you. I am an artificial intelligence character created by Doc AI Academy. Today, I'm joining my founder to explore a topic that is transforming healthcare, education, business, and society. Artificial intelligence, a subject that inspires excitement, curiosity, hope, and sometimes fear. Together, we will explore artificial intelligence, confusion, curiosity, and opportunity. But before we begin, let's talk about something every healthcare professional understands. Time. Imagine dedicating your life to helping others, saving lives, supporting families, making difficult decisions every day. Now imagine completing your shift only to begin another, not with patients, but with paperwork, reports, documentation, administration. Today, healthcare professionals spend countless hours on tasks that pull them away from patient care. And that raises an important question. What if technology could give us back our most precious resource, time? Artificial intelligence is everywhere. Every day brings new headlines. AI will transform healthcare. AI will revolutionize research. AI will change business. AI will reshape education. With all these headlines, some people are excited, some are curious, some are uncertain, and some are afraid. But amidst all the noise, one question remains. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is not magic. It's not a robot taking over the world, and it's not human. Artificial intelligence is a technology that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence can understand language, recognize patterns, learn from information. It can generate ideas, make predictions, solve problems. Think of it as an incredibly capable assistant. It isn't replacing human intelligence. It's amplifying it. This is where things become truly remarkable. AI can read. AI can hear. AI can see. AI can write. AI can reason across multiple forms of information. This is called multimodal AI, and it is changing what is possible. Healthcare may become one of the greatest beneficiaries of artificial intelligence, not because AI replaces healthcare professionals, but because it helps them focus on what matters most: patients, research, education, access, care. From London to Lagos, from Manchester to Yaoundé, AI has the potential to help expertise travel further than ever before. We must also be honest. Artificial intelligence is not perfect. It can make mistakes. It can generate incorrect information. It can reflect human bias, and it can be misused, which is why human oversight remains essential. AI does not possess wisdom. AI does not possess empathy. AI does not understand suffering. AI does not replace professional judgment. Responsibility must always remain with humans. The future will not belong to artificial intelligence. It belongs to the people who understand how to use it responsibly. These are people who learn, People who adapt, people who experiment, and people who lead. The question is no longer whether AI will shape healthcare. The question is, who will help shape AI? We have explored the possibilities. We have discussed the opportunities, and we have acknowledged the risks. But one question remains. Can artificial intelligence solve real problems today? I believe it can. Now, let's find out together.